I want to look at the some built-up header beams that we'll have to construct. A few of them, I've got 4 here identified so far, and we'll just deal with them HB1 here for a few minutes. We can see that it spans 6 feet 8 inches here, and it's in a 2x6 wall, and this is a load-bearing wall, so it would need to be an L2 with a 2x12s. If we think about, if we try to put this thing, I mean, we've got a this area here has this whole area here is under a truss, and these walls are 10 feet 1. So you really you have to decide whether, okay, do we keep it under the 10 feet, no reason to here, or put it above the 10 feet 1. So we use the reflected ceiling plan to see what they're actually planning on doing up above our heads right there. And we can see that they have actually sheetrock for this whole thing. Now, this is a little unusual here for what we're doing. This is coming down at a 3/12 slope here. And that slope will come all the way to the wall right there to this point. And then at this point, we're at 10 feet 1 inch to the bottom of these trusses. So the sheetrock will flatten out here. So they've got a angled transition here, which they can do. But if they do that, that means any header we put has to stay above the 10 feet 1, so the sheetrock can come over and stay at 10 feet 1 here and make a smooth transition. So this header then, the jacks really are going to be 10 feet 1 minus inch and a half, 9 feet 11 and a half to get us where we want. And we need at least a couple of jacks under each side, 2x6 here. So the header then, when we do the math on the thing, you've got 6 feet 8 plus 6 inches gives us 7 feet 2 inches. And that puts us where right here where we've got highlighted in blue. If we use a L2, it's going to be 14 1/4 inch and 7 foot 2, and our jacks are 9 feet 11 and a half. So that was actually fairly straightforward. So what we'll do is, I think, stop there and deal with the others in a separate video.